Hi there, I'm Marie. Today we'll be making steamed glutinous rice. This is a popular dim sum dish. It's packed with umami flavor and is my personal favorite. I never leave a dim sum table without having some. This is the ingredient list. I'll go over each one as we put them together. We'll use 2.5 cups of this glutinous rice. Rinse it a couple of times. After rinsing, soak it for 4 hours. The soaking will make the rice puff up and work more efficiently in the recipe. Rinse the shiitake mushrooms and soak them for at least 1 hour, or until they are softened. Then remove the stems and cut them in halves if they are too big. For meat, we'll use chicken thighs, Chinese sausage, barbecue pork, and dry shrimp. For aromatic, use 4 shallots. Slice them thinly. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then marinate them with cornstarch, SEASONINGS, and light soy sauce. Mix evenly and set them aside for 30 minutes. Also cut the barbecue pork into bite-sized pieces and slice the sausage diagonally. All our ingredients are now prepared. Let's start cooking. Start with medium flame. Heat the vegetable oil first and then drop in the shallots. Cook until they are fragrant, then add the chicken. When it appears to have seared, add the dry shrimp, followed by the mushrooms. I wait until the moisture in the wok has evaporated before adding another one. This way we get the maximum stir-fry flavor for each ingredient. So here goes the sausage, and follow with the barbecue pork. Next, we'll add the seasoning sauce. These are the salt and pepper, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, SEASONINGS, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix them to bring all the flavors together. We'll be dishing out most of the meats and mushrooms so as to cover the bottoms of the steaming bowls. And before we do that, we'll add some water to thin down the sauce. Otherwise, the meat may be too salty. I'm using 1 cup. Mix thoroughly. Then dish out the meat and mushrooms. This is enough. We can leave some behind. Next, add the soaked rice to this flavorful meat stock. We'll need to add 2 more cups of water to the rice. Yes, we need lots of water to get the right consistency. Mix it well. Cover and simmer it until the liquid is absorbed. It takes about 3 minutes. This allows the rice to soak up the flavors. It's not meant to completely cook it. Stay on top of it. Be sure to keep the heat on low to prevent the bottom from burning. Remove it from the heat once all the free liquid has disappeared. I'm going to make them in 2 different sizes. These are regular rice bowls, which are 9 ounces, and the smaller ones are 6 ounces. Fill the bottom 1/4 of the bowl with meat and mushrooms. I put a small portion of rice between the pieces so that everything holds together when we turn it upside down later. Now, fill the rest of the bowl with the partially cooked glutinous rice mixture. No need to press down tightly. This way, they'll cook evenly and produce a fluffier texture. Repeat the same process until all the bowls are filled. We'll cook them in 2 batches. Bring the water to a boil in the steamer. We'll steam this for 45 minutes. They are done when they are semi-translucent with a glue-like texture. The second batch is in smaller bowls and only needs 40 minutes of cooking time. There you have it. Our savory glutinous rice is done. For serving, simply turn the bowl over onto a plate. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more future fun videos. Bye for now.